Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal. I am your host Nitin, and a beautiful sunny day, Supari plantation behind me, or we are in a traditional Konkani Wadi near Alibag. This place is called Revdanda, and I am at the resort called Awesome Cottages. Though the name is Awesome Cottages, it should be named as the Maharashtrian Wada because this resort is a master class in how you should preserve the local culture and how you should promote it. So in our series of weekend getaways near Mumbai, we have brought you a lot of resorts. Some resorts were with big brands, some were with the smaller property. This is a very unique property because the owner himself has taken care of his wadi and he's converted this into a superb resort which has 7 rooms, and you can come here by public transport, ro-ro boat, or you can drive yourself. It's in the middle of the village. So you can see all the hustle bustle of the plantation and experience the Konkani life of the village. This is the village of Revdanda. Now Revdanda has been famous as a historic city because 15th century Portuguese fort is there in Revdanda. So this city had a significance in the global map since 15th century, and eventually that fort came to Marathas and then it came to the British. So that's the Revdanda for you, and as you enter, you look at it, the complete pillars which gives this structure a nice Wada style vibe. There is a big jhula here. Now we will enter the reception area, और वहाँ जाने के लिए सबसे पहले it is someone's home, so you have to remove your footwear. Look at the small details. Now this is the footprint which is there, and you come inside this grandeur. So any Maharashtrian home would have a big picture of Maharaj. We bow down to him for his blessings and the valor he gave to this land. This wall is specially interesting because who's who of Maharashtrian cinema, scientists, social workers, or politicians like Mr. Thackeray, everybody's picture is here, and something unique also. So these are different types of headgears which traditionally the Maharashtrians were used in historic times. So you can actually wear one and click a picture here. So we'll keep this back and show you some more unique features. Now imagine, I had not seen a reception of any resort like this. Now this is a reception's desk, a nice wooden carving desk with ancient features. You got a Ganpati Bappa, which is a sleeping Ganpati Bappa, very rare to find. And as you enter further, if you see small details, now the weapons which has been used as a decor, these are the wooden carvings which are traditionally done in Konkan. They are there for the decor. This is the original mandir of this house. This has been retained as is here, and every day they do puja here. Now this is the armory. I mean, they have created an armory where you have swords, shields and everything. So that gives a very authentic look. Obviously it is locked, so you cannot get inside. You have rooms on both these sides, but upstairs when you come here, this is another terrace area. So come to this terrace. Well, you can lounge around here and experience the nice plantation and wadi. One of the room is upstairs, so I will give you a home. This is our Lavanya room. Look at the decor of the door. And as you enter, very unique. I mean, we have stayed in so many resorts, but this is like a boutique property where everything is handcrafted, even from the bed headrest. Both the side you got these windows overlooking the plantation. That gives a superb light inside the room. And let us see what is this side. Wow! So there is a full-fledged pool amidst the plantation. It's like complete private vacation. If you want to get away from hustle bustle of city, this is the place. Now let's look at the washroom area. So you get small refrigerator, beddings, a clean functional washroom, the best part of the room is this private balcony area. और यहाँ से आप ऊपर आते हो, voila, that's your private balcony. Hi, how do you find it? So it is awesome as the name suggests, and look at the entire plantation. So now we have seen the nice room, we have seen the reception area or the main entrance of the property. Let us take you around to the Wadi's tour and show you कि if you are coming here with family क्या क्या मजे कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे बहुत सी चीजें हैं, चलिए. This is the central courtyard or the lawn area. Evening this comes to life क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्टर लगाया जाता है जिसपे आप मूवीज देख सकते हो, मैचेस देख सकते हो, फैमिली के साथ चिल कर सकते हो और शाम को बहुत ठंडा भी होता है. So I particularly love this statue. This is the statue where Maharaj is lessons from his gurus, sons in Maharashtra. So the part of culture is education. It has unique elements across. Now what you see here is a palki which is used during the festivals of the temple, and you come to the pool area. Now look at this. It's a stunning pool, big in size, so you can enjoy with family. But I particularly like the entire horticultural done here. Look at the Buddha statue. So it gives you a superb vibe. So it's a classic combination of using the heritage or the things which are available in Konkan and the ambience which can be created with them. So this is a very pet friendly resort. Not only you can bring your own pets here, but they also have their own pets. So this is the entire entertainment area where you can play snooker, play carom. Well, this chessboard is also unique because it's a brass chessboard. I mean, you generally see a wooden one or a plastic one, but a brass one is rare to find. So everything here, the owner has make sure he's picked up handpicked things for its decor of the kids can do camping and have their fun here. So camping in Wadi, that also another experience below the stars. Hi Simba! Oi, she's run away. So they have their own Persian cats here. Simba, hi. She's quite shy, so she's not coming in. And they also have this green color iguana. It's quite friendly. And this side we have this emu. Hi. Oh, he looks happy to see if somebody is coming there to say hi to him. And there is one more cat. So the flora and fauna here is so beautiful. Now this is another very famous flower called Ananta. You generally see it in Konkan. And this is a plantation of supari or betel nut. Now this is fairly a young plantation. It normally grows much taller than this. Village life. Generally a village you will see a small pond or a lake where they do fishing, where all the locals, bird comes. They bring their cattle for washing. So when you are on holiday, you definitely need good food. And what they have here is a traditional Maharashtrian khanawal, Gitaichi khanawal. That means it's a place where they serve the traditional Maharashtrian Kokni food or the Malwani food. So let us explore that. And look at the overall decor. All traditional elements they have used for decor. So you get that natural feel. So as we are sitting here, we can have the aroma of fresh fish being cooked. So this is going to be one of those meals where you are in that native place near sea, near the coast and in this Kokni Wadi and have their natural food. So the meal is part of your deal, and what you got is a special bombil fry today along with salad, some nice chicken curry, rice, and this is speciality of the region. This is dried prawns cooked in spices, so that's going to be very tasty and amazing. This was a very tasty traditional meal and I absolutely love the bombil fry, followed by ukdiche modak made home style along with sajuk toop. What a combination and a superb meal. After taking some rest, it was time to explore the local attractions. We went to Rameshwaram temple and saw an amazing sunset at the Revdanda beach. So it's a large beach and quite popular with locals and tourists, and you can also do paragliding here, and there were a lot of people were doing the paragliding, and it cost around 2000 per person. We came back to resort to enjoy some nice hot kanda bhaji with kadak chaha and a movie on a large screen before our dinner was getting ready. For dinner we had nice spicy tomato sour, prawns curry along with some suka bomlachi chutney, but the star was sondal. This is a local meaty fish nicely fried with spices. And to finish there was homemade pineapple shrikhand. Overall a very nice dinner, and we were looking forward to some good rest. Morning we were woken up by the chirping of birds, and what a sunrise you can catch from your room itself, and very serene, close to nature feeling. After saying hello to all the pets, we went straight for the breakfast to Gitai's Khanawal again. For breakfast, they had taken care for everybody. There was some bread, butter, healthy sprouts, cut fruit, nice home style pohe with the accompaniments. But one particular breakfast item that was very unique. That is shevya, rice noodle made from steam rice flour, similar like modak, but you make them yourself with your hand. So that experience is very unique. So your warm fresh rice noodles are ready, and you serve them with ghatla or a mixture of fresh coconut milk and jaggery cardamom. So that's a very sweet and a local breakfast you would never get in a restaurant. So I hope you like this weekend getaway near Mumbai and this awesome resort. You want to book this resort, you want to come here. They are not there on lot of booking platforms, so I'm going to give you their website and the link in the description. So you can also book the awesome cottages at Chaul, Revdanda, and come and enjoy and experience this awesomeness. And if you like this video, don't forget to press that thumb icon, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to Spice Dhamal. It's free, but we can grow this community of travelers and foodies for more interesting videos like this. So until we meet again, stay happy, stay healthy, keep traveling and enjoy life.